If you apply the template in CapCut and now want to remove it or completely delete the template project and start fresh, this video will walk you through both methods step by step. Whether you're cleaning up a timeline or getting rid of an entire local project, I'll show you the fastest way to do it without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's jump in. First, if the template is already applied to your current timeline, it's important to know that CapCut does not always let you simply remove the template with one button. In many cases, you have to manually clear the elements that the template added. So the first method is all about wiping the current timeline clean. To begin, open your project in CapCut and go to the editing timeline. Click on an empty area of the timeline first. This is important because it makes sure you are not accidentally selecting a single clip instead of everything in the template. Once the timeline is active, press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac. This will select all of the template elements on the timeline at once. After everything is selected, press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. This removes the selected clips, text, audio, overlays, and any other template assets that are sitting in the timeline. If the template included multiple pieces, this is the easiest way to clear most of them in one step. Now check the timeline carefully. Sometimes after deleting the content, you may still see extra empty tracks. If that happens, click on the unwanted track area and press delete again. In many cases, once the track is cleared of content, CapCut will remove the empty track automatically. If not, keep cleaning up any leftover sections until your workspace is completely blank. This method is great if you want to keep the project open, but start over with a clean editing space. It saves time, especially when a template has too many layers or pieces you do not want to keep. Now let's move on to the second method. If you do not just want to clear the timeline, but instead want to completely delete the template project from your computer, CapCut gives you a way to remove it from your local projects. To do that, first save anything you need from the project. Then click the home icon in the top left corner of CapCut to go back to the main project screen. This takes you out of the editor and into the area where your saved projects are listed. Once you are on the home screen, look for the Local Projects tab. This is where CapCut stores your projects on your device. Find the template project that you want to remove. You may need to scroll a little if you have several projects saved. When you find the correct project, hover over its thumbnail. You should see a three-dot menu appear. Click the three dots, then choose Delete. CapCut will remove that project from your local project list, which is the best option if you want to fully clean up your files and not keep the template anymore. This is especially useful if you downloaded a template, tested it, and decided you do not want it taking up space anymore. Just make sure you are deleting the correct project because once it is gone, you may not be able to restore it easily. So to recap, if the template is already inside your timeline, use Ctrl or Command A and delete the elements manually. If you want to remove the whole template project from your device, go to Home, open Local Projects, click the three dots, and delete it there. If this CapCut tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.